Good day everyone, my name is James Carlo B. Botonon and I am recorded a video presentation. The title of my presentation is Be Smart, Be Safe, Digital Citizenship. Good day everyone, we live in a world where the internet is part of our daily lives, through school, games and social media. But being online comes with big responsibilities. Today, I will discuss what it means to be a good digital citizen and how we can keep ourselves safe in a virtual world. Being a digital citizen means acting responsibly, ethically, and safely when using technology, just like how we follow rules on the road or in school. There are rules online too. It is about using technology not just for fun, but to communicate respectfully, protect our privacy, and help create a positive community. Why is safety important? We face many risks online. Number one is cyberbullying, mean comments or harassment that can hurt others emotionally. Number two is identity theft. Sharing too much personal information can lead to people misusing your data. Number three is fake news. Believing and sharing wrong information can cause confusion and harm. We must be aware of these dangers to avoid them. Here is how we can practice safety every day. One is protect personal info. Never share your password, address, and phone number publicly. Number two is think before you post. Once you upload something, it can be there forever. Ask yourself, it is true? It is kind? It is necessary? Number three is verify sources. Check if the news or information comes from a reliable website before sharing. Number four, report bad behavior. If you see bullying or suspicious activity, tell a teacher or a trusted adult immediately. To conclude, the internet is a power tool, but it is also safe if we make it safe. Being a responsible digital citizen protects not just ourselves, but everyone around us. As remember, with great Wi-Fi comes great responsibility. Let's use technology to learn, connect, and spread kindness. Thank you.